up, ladies and jellyfish? Welcome back to Critter Cove 888. I'm so happy you're here. I wanted to give you guys a satisfying little cleaning video and like a little daily care so I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you for like each animal what I have to do. So stick around if you're interested. If not, peace out. Thank you for watching. The room is vacuumed. It's nice and clean. I'm hot and sweaty, so I need to change my shirt. I'll be right back.
Excuse me. What do you think you're doing? We got a runner. What are we doing? What the heck?
Okay, I have my tortoise and I have a different shirt on, so we're gonna get back to it. Come with me. So we're done with this bad boy. We are going to work on food and water for everybody, especially the rats. I know they're hungry. And these guys. I know you're hungry.
I literally just vacuumed, and there's already a new dookie. They're so happy that it's nice and clean.
Now for you. Oh, what are you doing in here? Ew! Excuse me. I know this rat rack looks kind of complicated and problematic. However, it's only because we got them as pups, so they were little baby rats when we first got them. So we were planning to have them as babies, and now we're gonna buy something bigger, so don't worry. Ladies and jellyfish, it is 9:53 a.m. and I'm officially done with taking care of all the animals for today. The room is nice and clean. Everybody's pretty happy about that. And we wanted to thank you for watching, so thank you. Bye.